Yo, what up y'all? It's your boy CKid here, man. Now today's video, y'all, I'm hyped because this is a video y'all been asking me about like forever. Like y'all been asking me to get these products here on the channel for you guys because you guys been wanting to know what I personally gonna think about them. So nonetheless, y'all, if you don't know what I'm talking about or what these are in front of me, man, this is the Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, as well as the S22 Ultra. And then I also have here the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra as well. Now I'm gonna be actually unboxing this one in a separate video. So if you guys are interested in that, then you can just check that out right after this video right here. So I just got the colors that I personally thought looked good to me. And then we're gonna unbox them, set them up. I'm also gonna take a quick little photo of it, do a little quick screen comparison to something like the iPhone 13 Pro, and then also the Pixel 6 Pro as well. And we're just gonna kind of see how it fares up and kind of what I think about them, just initial impressions about them. We got a whole bunch of content that's gonna be planned for these bad boys right here. So let's go ahead and get it cracking. Let's go. So before we actually open these bad boys up, y'all already know the deal right now. Comment down below how many likes is on this video at the time you guys are watching it. And let's go ahead and run this bad boy up, man, because that's what we do, baby. Let's shoot for like 20K in a day, baby. Let's get it. Now the first one that we got up here is the Galaxy S22. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Where my knife at? Hold on, y'all. All right, we got the knife, y'all. All right, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right, so right on the inside, man, we got here, let's see here. Probably ain't gonna be too much. Now again, this one here is kind of like that forest green color, so let's go ahead and just take this off. All right, so here we got, man, the screen. Let's see how much juice we got. Let's go ahead and power this bad boy on. Oh, don't tell me they sent me out no juice. Oh, okay. I thought they did me dirty, man. I was like, oh, they ain't sent me no juice. All right, so again, man, this is the look of the phone right here. You guys can see it in all of its glory. And then you also have the two-tone with the cameras that's right here. Now I'm assuming all of these are gonna be the exact same, so I'm not gonna go through each one like this. And then right here, we got the USB-C to C cable for charging. You got your SIM ejection tool, and then you just got some papers here on the inside. Again, you're not getting a power brick. I'm all for it because, you know, I got a ton of different power bricks and stuff around here. When it comes to this tab though, we're gonna talk about that. So actually, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the rest of them. Make sure you cut away from yourself, people. Don't hurt yourself. This is the S22 Plus. Now this one here, I got it in the black color because I wanted to see what this was gonna look like. Here is the back. Now again, man, I like the back of these phones, man. I also like how flat it is too with the S22 as well as the S22 Plus. You can see right here, like that frosted like back, so it's really like a matte finish, and then it's more of a flat device versus having like rounded edges. Let's open up the big boy, the big one everybody been wanting to see. This is the one that y'all have been bugging me about, trying to figure out when am I gonna get it, all of that. Nonetheless, it's here. So let's go ahead and do this, do the honors and open this bad boy. Did I cut it? I know I cut it. Now, although they calling this the S22 Ultra, we all know, Note fans out there, everybody knows this is the brand new Note, and man, this bad boy here looks fire on the back. And whoo, now I ain't even gonna lie, this is a bad boy. This is a big boy right here. Now it definitely's got a little bit more weight to it than some of the other ones, because to be honest, when it comes to like the Galaxy S22, just the regular one, this bad boy is super light. The Plus got a little bit more weight to it, but not as much as something like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, y'all. This bad boy here is definitely yeah, it's a big boy, and you can see it right here in all of its full glory. But yeah, this bad boy is definitely nice. I will say one of the things that I do like about the S22 Plus and the S22 is the fact that it has the flatter screen, which is something that I'm used to on something like the iPhone. But again, we've seen this same style being represented on something like the Pixel 6 Pro as well. So I think it's gonna be something that I'm gonna have to get used to on this device, because with the other two models and switching back and forth, it's going to be kind of interesting to get my thoughts and take on that, and just kind of how I feel about it after I do my full review and just kind of playing around with it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and power up all of these and get them set up, and then just going to kind of look at some screen comparisons between all three, and then also compare it to something like my iPhone 13 Pro, which is kind of like my daily driver. So let's go ahead and get these set up and check back in with y'all a little later. Now every single one of these we have set up. Now one thing I will say about the screen here on the Galaxy device, now this is the S22, is, man, I like how small it is and how good it fits into my hand. Easily be able to just palm this bad boy, slide it into my pocket, no problem. Now, the next thing I got is the Plus here. Now, when I'm looking at the screen right here on the Plus, y'all, to me, y'all already know I love larger screens. Now, this one here is gonna be a little bit more in comparison to my iPhone 13 Pro. Now, this one here is a bit on the larger size. And now let's go ahead and just kind of show you guys here. Let me go ahead and turn it on here real quick so you guys can see. As you guys can see right here, man, just from a comparison between the two, even when it comes to just showing up on camera, man, the Galaxy Note definitely is showing up better. It looks a little bit more crispier, a little bit more cleaner. Now, again, I still have some setting up and different things to do like that on this device here. Let me go ahead and just turn down my brightness again on the iPhone because it keeps like creeping back up there. But nonetheless, you can see like the sizing of this device as far as the Plus being just taller than the iPhone 13 Pro. But nonetheless, man, I think this phone here looks absolute fire. Now let's go ahead and put it up side by side to the Google Pixel 6 Pro. All right, so there we have it. Now, when it comes to the screen quality on both of these, I gotta say, man, both of these actually look super impressive to me when it comes to both of these devices. Now, one of the things I do want to do on this device is I want to actually check out this brightness mode, because I know it has like a nit brightness of like 1750 nits of brightness, which is just crazy. So let's go ahead and just bump this bad boy all the way up. Ooh, jeez, this mug definitely gets bright. So let's go ahead and sit this one down, and then let's put it up to the big boy, and you can see it right here, man. This is the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and then we got the big boy here. Turn this brightness all the way. Well, I won't turn it all the way up just so you guys can see it right here on camera, but that is it in its full glory. Let me turn it down just a little bit more so that way you guys can see it in its full glory right here, man. Looks good, looks clean. Can it stand up on its own? Let me see. Is this bad boy standing up on its own? Nope, definitely can't stand up on its own. Now, this one here also, as you guys know, comes with the S Pen here. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Now, the S Pen is all black. Now, the only difference that's going to be different is the top of the S Pen with the push. You can see it right here. It's green. Now, I would have personally liked if they would have matched the entire S Pen with the color of the phone in itself instead of just being the top part. But again, it's not that big of a deal, but it is something that I would have liked to see more of with this device here than anything else. All right, so when I actually slide the S Pen out, you are going to get these options that's going to pop up right here on the screen. Now, you get the option to create a note, view all your notes, smart select, screen write, live messages, AR doodle, translate, pin up. So it's good that they actually brought this back. Now, the other thing you're getting on the S Pen is you're getting a little push button here. Now, with that push button, you can actually set this push button to pretty much do a lot of things. You can have it just while you press it down and hold. You can erase while you guys are writing. You can also have it to whereas if you press it, you can do gestures with it, like take a photo, use it as your shutter and different things like that. So I'm gonna cover all of that in a separate video, but for right now, this is what you can do with the S Pen. So let's go ahead and take a quick selfie using the camera on the S22 Ultra. Actually, you know what? Let me use my S Pen. What am I doing? I'm about 16.
We keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and just season.
All right, cool. All right, let's do a quick video test as well on this bad boy right here. All right, so right now, this is a sample test of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and you're listening to the audio coming straight out of the phone right here, and then you're also watching the video quality coming straight out of the phone. Let me know what you guys think of the front-facing camera using the Galaxy S22 Ultra. All right, what up, y'all? So right now I'm actually shooting this video here on the Galaxy S22, and also you're hearing the audio coming straight out of this device as well. So let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think of this audio coming straight out of the Galaxy S22. I think it looks pretty good, not ain't gonna lie. What up, y'all? It's your boy CKid. Now right now I'm actually shooting this video here on the brand new Galaxy S22, and then also the audio you're hearing is also coming from the Galaxy S22 as well. Let me know what you guys think of the audio quality as well as the video quality down in the comment section below, and let me know what y'all think. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this video quality on both of these devices and just kind of give you guys my take on it. Man, this screen, y'all, looks ridiculously amazing. Like, this quality is crazy. So y'all, like I've been saying for years, man, I don't know what sorcery or what does Samsung have going on over there, man? But I gotta say, when it comes to their screens, they got literally the best screens in the game. Although Samsung makes iPhone screens, I don't know, I feel like Samsung is giving them like the cheap versions and they keeping the good bad boys for themselves. But like this screen, y'all, especially on the Ultra, just looks ridiculous. Like it is insane. And this is straight out of the box. I haven't even switched it over to the W Quad HD yet. This is ridiculous on the screen quality. But yeah, all in all, man, I just wanted to do just a quick video for you guys, man, unboxing everything, doing a quick sound test, quick photo test, quick video test for you guys. But again, I got a ton of more content that's gonna be coming y'all way on these devices. Again, definitely make sure you guys are subscribed because there's also gonna be some giveaway stuff happening as well. So you definitely don't wanna miss out on that. And then again, if you guys are interested in the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, then definitely make sure you guys watch the video that is right up here on the screen, and I'll see y'all over there, squad.